So in this one, three cards are drawn at random from a pack of cards. Find the probability that they are a king, queen and knave. So what we have to do is sample space, 12th one. S is equals to total cards. N of S is equals to, they were 52. Three cards are drawn is clearly mentioned, so we'll write 52C3. After this, we need to write event. They are probability that they are king, queen and is mentioned, so we have to write drawing a king and queen and knave. Knave is jack actually. While writing N of E, how many kings are there in the pack? 4. So 4C1. And how many queens are there? They are also 4. And knave, jacks are also 4. So the probability of such event is N of E divided by N of S equals to 4C1 into 4C1 into 4C1 divided by 52C3. This will be 4 by 1 into 4 by 1 into 4 by 1 divided by 52C3 is 52 into 51 into 50 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Now if you are good in calculation, you can calculate 4 for the 16 for 64 into this 1 2 3 the 6 comes to numerator divided by 52 into 51 into 50. Multiply both of them and leave the answer here. Now ball problem, 13th one. A man draws 3 balls from bag containing 6 red and 5 white balls. So sample space S equals to 6 red and 5 white balls. N of S we'll write by adding them and we'll write C. How many we are drawing? 3. Event equals to, event in sentence form. How many are there? What is the chance? Means probability of getting the balls all red. Getting all means 3 red. N of E, how many red are there? 6. Out of 6 we are taking 3. So probability of this event is N of E divided by N of S. 6C3 divided by 11C3. For 3 what we have to do? 6, 5, 4 by 1, 2, 3. 6C3 is over. 11C3. 11 into 10 into 9. Reverse 3, forward 3 numbers. 13 to 4, this is 120, 11 9s are 99 10s, 990. In that way you can write this. By cancelling this one also you can write. One number is selected at random from 1 to 100. Find the probability that it is a perfect square. Check this. One number is selected random from 1 to 100. Find the probability that it is a perfect square. See, this is not the problem in which cards are given or balls are given. So if at all any question in this from 1 to 100, from 1 to 20, 1 to 17, this series is given to you, that time you should write sample space as S equals to all values from 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3. It is time consuming to write all 100. I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 100. N of S, how many numbers are there? If we count, we can count this one. These are 100 numbers. First value, only one bit now. Event equals to probability that it is a perfect square. We need to getting a perfect square. Perfect squares are 1, 4, 9. These are perfect square for which direct square root value we can find. Root 9, 3, root 16, 4, 5, 5 is 25, 6, 6 is 36, 7, 7 is 49, 8, 8 is 64, 9, 9 is 81, 10, 10 is 100. We are not taking 121 like that because this sample is 100. So in this 100, how many numbers are there perfect square? That you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n of e equals to 10 perfect squares are there. So probability of this event is n of e divided by n of s. So 10 divided by 100. 1 by 10, or directly you can divide and write. What we have to do? First we have to write sample space 1 to 100. What is the question asked to us? Perfect square. So you should know perfect squares. These are perfect squares. Then you have to count it. Same like single dice is rolled, that type of question. Then you have to write n of e by n of s. Seventeenth one. बैठो बैठो, अभी मत जाओ, थोड़ी देर बैठो. A bag contains 20 tickets marked with numbers 1 to 20. So we'll write sample space. N of s, total how many numbers are there? 20. We will not take C1, C2. That is for card problems, ball problems. For this one, just write n of s equals to 20. Then event 1. We need to find the probability that it will be multiple of 2 or 5. Multiple of 2 or 5. So we have to take down the multiples from this one. multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then multiples of 5, 5, 10 we will not take because already 10 is there in this one. 15, 5, 10 is there, 15. 20 we are not taking because 20 is there. So we have not taken 10 and 20, remaining we have. So n of e equals to how many such numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probability of this event is n of e divided by n of s. 12 divided by 20. Event 2. 3 or 5 means what? Probability of getting multiples of 3 or 5. See, from this one multiples of 3, 3 to the 6, 9, 3 6 the 18, 3 7 the 21. We are not taking 21 because in sample we have up to 20 only. Then 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Already there, no need to take. 5 4 is 20, it is there. So we will not take anything apart from that. Then count it. N of e means we need in the probability formula n of e. E is there, then 8. Probability of this event is n of e divided by n of s. 8 divided by 20. You can divide and write or 4 2 times, 4 5 times, 2 by 5 also.